oculomotor apraxia, and that means that I do have working sight, but the muscles in my eyes don't really work the way that they're supposed to do. So if I want to look in different directions, I have to physically turn my head in that direction. I can tend to miss things and trip over things, which makes visiting new places a little bit daunting. So having the opportunity to view a new location before I actually visit it in person is really beneficial to me.
One of the ambitions for me this year is to make Abergavenny not only a town-friendly place, but also accessible to everybody. So we had a meeting with Leighton. Leighton described what facilities he could provide us with so that we could map out the town hall as a starting point.
When approached by my hometown council to recreate the town hall in a Matterport 3D model, I turned around and said, that is exactly why I created my business. I was diagnosed back in 2012 with bowel cancer and the invisible disability of an ileostomy. For the majority of society, the abled person does not realise the barriers that a disabled person, whether that is physical or invisible, actually come up against on a daily basis. With the power of a Matterport digital twin, suddenly the world is opened up to everybody.
Here we are walking through the library into the mezzanine floor and overlooks the market hall.
That's amazing. I can see what it looks like for starters, and I can see what accessibility facilities they have, if there's a lift, if there's stairs, or if it's all on one level, and any potential obstacles as well.
Having the digital format gives everybody the opportunity to check out the building and the areas that they wish to attend, and they can do it in the comfort of their chairs.
Digital twins create an accessible world.